Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you some pen and watercolor pencil sketches that I did. I'll be painting tomorrow. I really enjoy doing these little sketches. They're easy to do. I start with pencil, then I go over my lines with pen, and then I fill in with watercolor pencil. And it's an easy, meditative kind of drawing that I love to do. I'm waiting for my canvas panels to arrive, but they should be here by Friday. So I'll see you tomorrow with a full-length painting. Bye for now.